Transferring money from Afterpay to Wise is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. If you have available funds in your linked bank account associated with Afterpay, you can initiate a bank transfer to your Wise account. This involves withdrawing the necessary amount from your bank account and then transferring it to your Wise account using the standard bank transfer process. If you are dealing with an international transfer, you can use Wise directly for the transaction. Wise specializes in international money transfers with competitive exchange rates. In this case, you would not be directly transferring funds from Afterpay to Wise, but rather using Wise as a separate service. Keep in mind that financial services and their features can change. Check the latest information on the Afterpay and Wise websites, or contact their customer support for the most up-to-date details.